What is a hoarding food addiction? What does that look like? And what it might look like is going to be different for every person because we all have different buying habits, spending habits, cooking habits, and what have you. I grew up in a house with 21 people, 19 kids. And so when I moved out on my own, what that meant for me was that meant I don't cook very well. And when I do cook, I'm cooking in a great big stock pot that's going to make enough for 30 meals. I can't eat it all before it goes bad. And so if my belief is that we don't waste food, then I can't let that go to waste. So what does that mean? For me, what I learned really quickly is that meant repackaging my food. So if I was going to make a great big stock pot of soup, what that meant is I had to repackage them in smaller containers so that I could eat those smaller containers and just put those in the freezer, bring out one little container at a time and heat those up. Because even when I got married, another two people, I was still cooking for 20. Same problem. It didn't help any that there were more people now, only one more person. My habits were still set for 20 people. And so is that okay? Is it okay that I still shop at Costco, although I'm only shopping for a couple people and not 20? And the answer is it's okay if you learn to manage that. And the food hoarding comes in when we haven't learned a management system.